Have you ever wondered about the impact of bodyweight exercises? Today, we're diving into what happens if you plank 1 minute every day. This seemingly simple exercise is creating a huge buzz and might just be the answer to many of your fitness questions. No gym, no problem. Just 60 seconds can make all the difference. Number 1, protect your back and spine. Planks, when done right, aren't just a core exercise. They're a shield for your back and spine. As you strengthen your back muscles with planks, you also reduce your risk of injuries. Plus, who doesn't want a better posture when they walk or sit, right? Number 2, sculpt your abs. Forget crunches. Planks are the ultimate abs-defining workout. They target all the significant core muscles from obliques to abdominals. As you master your planks, you're not just sculpting a six-pack, but amplifying your strength in other workouts. Bonus for the gym enthusiasts, watch your squats and deadlifts transform. And for the ladies, here's a secret. Planking can also elevate your booty game. Number 3, turbocharge your metabolism. Compound exercises like planks engage multiple muscles simultaneously, making you a calorie-burning machine. The more muscles you activate, the more calories you burn, even beyond the workout. As your muscles develop, your basal metabolism will accelerate, and you'll burn significantly more calories even when you're not engaged in sports. Boosted metabolism? Check. Number 4, elevate your balance. If you've ever stumbled trying to stand on one leg, it's time for a change. It's not your shoes or the floor, it's the strength of your core. With daily planking, you'll not only improve your balance but also excel in any sport or physical activity you pursue. Number 5, uplift your mood. Beyond the physical, planks work wonders for the mind. They stretch and relax muscle groups that often tighten with stress and strain. So if you're feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, plank it out. It's a natural way to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Are you ready to embrace the plank challenge? Dive in, and don't forget to revisit us to share your transformation after a month. If this video sparked curiosity, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and fitness insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below.